mystery, mystery absence.
Mystery absence. Oh, I think I saw something about
Yeah,
that.
she tried to hide away from the people asking her questions in House of Commons.
Atrocious behavior.
Bro, if I was in her position, I'd do the exact same thing, bro. It's a bit of she's in the deep end right now, and it is not looking pretty for her. Every question she gets asked is just the her collapse.
No, I think she's doing fine, man. She's a pretty good actor. Following the script. Pretty good.
Fair enough.
You gotta admit, it's pretty good skills, man.
To follow directions like
Yeah,
that.
she's got balls.
Bro, I've seen better acting, and
Oh, actually, to be fair, Boris Johnson was pretty good. He's very good.
Boris Johnson, you can't act that dumb. Honestly.
It has to be.
No, not Boris Johnson, Liz Truss. You can't act that dumb or that stupid.
Do you wanna? Are you gonna turn your camera on today? Or not?
Yeah.
I think.
Treatment.
Oh, is this the webcam, by the way, or not?
No, I'm on a laptop. See, it's
Okay.
very dark. It's very, very dark.
Yeah. Even that is still better than nothing, I think. Anyway, guys, my GJ analysis was perfect. I don't want to get too happy because I didn't actually catch a trade.
I did.
But when it was at 164, right, there was little chance of actually predicting this move. But when it was at 164, I think, was it even 164? Yeah, it was around 164. I think end of last week. Yeah, sometime in the middle of last week. Price had grabbed this liquidity from the upside, pushed all the way down, creating equal lows, and then pushed back up. So the question was, is this a retracement to the premium of this leg here to push downwards? Or are we going to push upwards to grab even more liquidity? My idea was, if we're going to get such a crash, there's going to be such a recession, surely we're going to get one more liquidity grab at least. Surely the banks are that patient to push up once more, trigger in some more buyers, take out any last sellers, at least on the longer term. Then we can push down. And it's played out perfectly. So, it's a good prediction. I'm proud of that. But now it's just about catching those moves.
I called it
And
2 weeks ago, by the way.
yeah.
Just to let you guys know. Not to flex or
And then
anything.
I swear on the stream last week, you weren't thinking that. I swear you were thinking we were.
I was, bro. Watch.
I remember,
watch
like, when
going
I
to
said
happen
it.
to Forex.
No, I
And
remember
that's
when I
exactly
said it,
what
you were
said.
like, "Oh, that's actually interesting. Maybe we'll take out the trade."
Look, I'll show you. Hold on,
Mark's
let me
capping.
find
This man is. Nah, man.
behind it.
I'm trying to remember what stream it was on. Because that would be a good reel to post anyway.
Yeah, I'm trying to find it now. I spent too long on gold here.
Oh, say.
Bro, why am
Why
I
am
still
I-
on gold? It's 10 minutes. Although I did get gold right though.
There you go, it's worth it. If it was right.
What the heck?
So my
Here you go.
type rate closing it is very, very confusing stuff. However, it has left one. It went back into the 15 before over here.
Potential GJ buys.
And then create even more liquidity at top. So now we have two sides of liquidity. We've got buy side over here, and we've got sell side over here. Which direction it takes, again, it's
Here you go. There you go, bro. I didn't get the level right exactly, but it was just a rough drawing. Push past these buy side liquidities over here for the push back down. There you go, 2 weeks ago, there's a time.
Okay. And which stream was it where we actually said it?
I can't remember which stream it was. I think it was 2 days ago, 3 days ago. Check when price was 164. I'm pretty sure we called it at 164 before that.
That's it, yeah.
But yeah, that is
Okay, I stand corrected. To be fair, I didn't watch this video though. On stream, you definitely made it sound like you thought something else was gonna happen.
No, me and Nu was talking about it. When Nu goes in, when Nu arrives, he'll let you know. I was
No,
agreeing with
no, bro, I have a decent memory. Yeah, you definitely. It was at
No,
164, yeah, and I was talking about. You was talking about looking for cells from 168 or something. I said, no, we're
yeah.
probably gonna take the highs.
Oh yeah, no, I was probably looking at short-term sales as well. Well, long-term sales, but I was still expecting price to take out liquidity just to get for a big move. That's new, man.
I
News,
believe you, but it's
news
just
on
on
my
the
side,
screen. You
bro.
made it sound different. I believe you because
News
that's
on my side. I'm telling you, we were talking about it all. When you left, we were literally. That's the only thing we really spoke about when you left on a continuous stream.
oh what then was it Friday?
It
Because
might have
Friday
been
was
Friday
your
then.
stream then,
Yeah,
isn't it?
yeah. It might have been Friday when we called it then.
Okay.
I didn't get it right. I think I called 174 on the thing, but that was just a guesstimate. But yeah, currently we are on GBPAUD cells. That
Oh yeah,
is
you
current.
took a bunch of cells yesterday, innit?
No, yeah. Well, I took oil buys, gold cells, GBPAUD cells.
Yeah, and
So
then
that's my trade. They all line up perfectly with one another. That's the thing. That's why when I get one trade, I get five in a row.
yeah, that was perfect. And then like you moved to break even fairly quickly too. I think.
Yeah, and they were all 1-to-1. That's I was like, oh, might as well move to break even. Gold's still active, GPAD still active. Gold got hit, oil got taken out at break
Mm.
even. So it is what it is. Bitcoin, I'm looking to sell soon. Just waiting for the high volume area to be taken with impulsive intent. But yeah, there you go. Gold is right now, as we speak, kind of dropping. So yeah.
Let's check out gold.
GPAD is close to short-term lows over here, so I'm definitely moving it to break even by the time it reaches 1.79651. Yeah, yeah. New market capping. I don't think New's here yet, but yeah, you won't believe
That was
it.
him in the chat. That wasn't me.
New
Right.
market capping. All I see is cap.
Yeah, it'll turn up in. Actually, who knows? Maybe it'll turn up.
I think it. You know what? That guy has been solid for this. You know,
Yeah,
he's been nice to talk to. Do you know what I mean?
he's a professional. As we learned yesterday, he's got some tricks up his sleeve.
Bro, I don't know how you trade with the time alone. It's crazy. It looks like he trades with time alone. I'm not too
I'm
sure.
sure
But...
no, because he definitely does do smart money too. He said.
Oh yeah, he does. Yeah, he does say in the chat, doesn't he?
I think in terms of what he keeps on the screen, it must be time.
Yeah, this trade's looking good right now, man. Almost at 1-to-1.
This is the gold one.
Nah, GPAD. Gold was already at 1-to-1. It just retraced a little bit away. It was at 1-to-1.5, I think. It's very nice. Yeah, 1-to-1.5. Not bad at all, you know. Halfway through take profit, actually. It was. Take profit's only at 1-to-3, which is at 1.620. So 1620/1621 is the target for gold overall. Looking good.
1621.
Got gold right though. Exactly right, actually. Wow. I should really review these trades and actually flex on Instagram, you know. But
I mean,
fine.
yeah, bro. We need more reels from you, bro.
that would like. Yeah, but like my reels don't even like. Even if I show results and everything.
I mean, it
don't
doesn't matter. You still need like it's just consistency in it. It's normally good. Maybe that's what they're doing. They're like, Deal's posted more. Let's give him more views. So maybe that's what they're doing. More than new. What are you saying?
I'm currently focusing on YouTube recordings. Morning.
I don't
So
know.
right
I
now
feel like
I have a few active.
Insta should be priority for both. To be honest.
You're doing well in Insta alone. You're fine.
Yeah, but sometimes I don't get time to make the videos. That's what I'm saying. Like, it'd be better.
Yeah, we can discuss it.
Just woke up, man. Slipping. You are slipping, bro. 9 minutes? God damn.
Bro.
Nah, you still
He
turned
probably
up.
wakes up at 6 or something. He probably wakes up at 6 normally. That's why he said he's slipping.
No.
But it's been cold in the night. That's probably why. It's nice to sleep when it's nice and cold, you know. I'm not sure what it is, but when it's cold, I sleep in more often. Yeah, see, yeah, my guy, he knows.
Yeah.
5 o'clock, gang, where you at? That's what we happening. That's what's happening. But new, everyone's analysis here. So all in all, we all got it right for GJ.
Yeah.
We took 2022 highs. We could potentially start pushing back down soon and start looking for sell side liquidity. Very soon, if price fails to hold the level right now, which is 168 is my level. That if price fails to hold that level, we'll probably start hunting sell side liquidity. My analysis is exactly the same for GA and it's working out, so yeah, if it works out, it works out. Where's the major sell side liquidity here? I think it'll actually be this level. 1.79501. Yeah, man, GJ took those highs. Oh, it took those highs, man. I didn't think it was gonna come down at this point, you know. It was that high. I was like, whoa. GJ, calm down, man. Calm down. We need you to come back down. I went on a trading spree last night, you know. Well, New York session. 3 trades in one day. That's impossible for me, but damn. I had oil, gold, and GA. Ooh. 1.74. 1.74 GA. GBPAUD. No, not 1.74. GJ. You think it's gonna go up to 1.74 before crashing back down? I don't know. If it fails to continue to going up, I feel like it'll start hunting sell side liquidity. Overall targets for GJ. Let's see, what am I saying? 160 is my overall targets for GJ. I mean, to be honest, you can say you could start looking for sales if it breaks like 168, 618, but I'm not very confident with that one, so I'm gonna stay away from that one. We're trading way above the VWAP right now, so overall the volume in terms of average price is very bullish. So I'm just gonna wait for it to calm down a little bit. Calm the heck down.
To be fair, this camera setup. What do you reckon about this camera setup? Check the stream.
Might just keep pumping, maybe. With pound economy, with pound economics right now though, and
This is good.
I don't think it's pound.
Oh, could be even better.
Oh, I see. That's a. Wait, is your camera on Zoom or is it on thingy? No, it's on. It's on.
No, mine's the actual
Yes. Yeah,
camera. To be fair, it's pretty good. If I can drag this.
Alright, we need to get a win. Let's do it. Alright. Although I don't want to force a trade because I'm actually doing okay this month. I think I've only lost 1 this month, so I don't actually want to.
Nice.
Don't want to ruin that. So yeah, I don't want to ruin my win rate. I have a 90% win rate if I get 3 more trades or something like that. It's good for the clickbait. 90%.
It is.
Just like I think a month ago, I had a, what was it, 100% weak because I only had one trade and it worked out. I'm 100% trader, man. What are you talking about? Push that win rate on the chat. Get some subs.
Yeah, that's it, man.
Yes. To be fair, yeah.
I would if I actually took trades for myself. But for now, Mark can put his on.
I'll put it on the.
Whenever we plug it, just put it in the chat. No, no, you need to put it on for us, so someone else is doing it.
So it seems legit. It
So it
seems
seems legit. It's just like so.
No, I'll put it on. I'll probably like pin it or something. I'll pin the chat.
Right, if I just do this, yeah. What we were gonna do new is once we get more months worth of data, as in on streams, we just have like a log on the side saying September this percent, this win rate. October this percent, this win rate. That'll get people to stay.
Because at this point they're just looking at us as two idiots just on the camera in it, and they're like,
Yeah.
"What's going on?"
Because imagine they join, we're talking about some random stuff. Like,
Which we normally do. So, yeah.
I mean, that's a good thing alone. I feel like we don't.
I think I like our combos. I like
Yeah.
our conversations about random stuff and how deep we get into it as well. We don't back down from a fight, and we get new to like mediate, to moderate. As soon as she says, "What the hell are you guys talking about?" Then we snap back. It snapped back into trading. We're like, oh right, we're supposed to be trading. Oh, I forgot. Ooh.
Yeah, that reminds me.
See, that's the issue.
That
with my
reminds
strategy.
me. I do need to be trading.
That's my issue with this.
I need to dash the stream away.
Pro.
Nah.
I can't. What's that mean?
She's been boring anyway. Privileges
Privilege.
of early subscriber.
Oh, privileges.
Yeah.
Right.
You get to see what's actually going on.
Yeah. The real us before we start becoming corporate. And more PC because we get silenced.
Adele dashes when GJ makes the move. Wait, what do you mean?
Oh, you always leave when when the DJ.
Bro, what can I do, man? What can I do?
You can't skip class, man. You can't skip
Come
this.
on,
You
brother.
can't skip this lecture.
You need to stay. Well, that was what we normally do, but I just had to go.
Yeah, he's got uni.
I got uni, brother.
Got uni to do, man. You can't.
That's
just
why I'm
skip.
changing to the breakout strategy because I realized I thought I would be able to stick to this one at uni, but apparently it's just
Yeah,
apparently
because of
most
his
of my
schedule.
most of my trades are after 8 or after 9.
And most of your class, well, a lot of your days start at 8, 9, something like that.
Yeah, 9 a.m. lectures. You know what's funny? That's not even that early, but everyone always complains like 9 a.m. lectures.
Because you're awake at 7 or like.
No, but it's the same as college. It's like everyone acts like it's some next level thing. 9 a.m. lectures.
I think it's because if they're second year or something, maybe they got used to like 10 o'clock, 12 o'clock.
Yeah. I guess technically it's early, but I mean compared to college and everything, you actually have to leave later. Considering half these guys live on campus and they have to walk 5 minutes to get to the class. So
True, though. True.
let's see, September.
I mean, that's what time a job would start, anyways. That's normal. I feel like normally a job would start at 9. If you have to get there like maybe 10 minutes earlier, anyway. So like
Yeah.
8:50.
There you go.
So like it's. I think it's pretty average. I mean, it is an obviously early start, 9 o'clock, but that's average.
Do you know what your percentage gain was on Discord for September?
Me, I
I
can
know-
check later.
I know it was positive.
I'll check later. I think it was around for right now or last month,
For September.
September.
I'm gonna put it on stream now, might as well.
9%.
So 9,
9,
okay.
10%?
September,
Yeah, I'll double check this.
6% on stream. It was actually 10%, but on my commission, it was 6%. So I don't know what on other people's commission and everything it would be.
I mean, I would go with percentage gain. Screw the cost. Honestly, screw the cost. I mean, that's cost of business, but in terms of revenue, you made 10%.
Yeah. So is it 9% you said?
Yeah, 9%. Yeah, I did.
Mm. Thing is with me, I have a fixed lot size. At least in September, I had a fixed lot size for everything. So there were a couple of times where I had a massive stop loss. So once the trade won, I made a lot more.
I wouldn't put it in yet though, because I need to double check because I haven't.
That's because you only trade the London session.
Who, me?
What?
Oh, I did.
What's because I only trade? What do you mean?
I think it's what you just said.
Yeah, I want to make sure I put
Oh no, I don't trade. I don't only trade London session. I trade all sessions. I'm on Discord 24/7 basically.
yeah. I'm gonna keep mine as after commission because spreads and commission make a massive difference when you're scalping. I'm not even gonna try and.
Um the reason why you only see me on stream is because if I do stream my sessions, it will take a while for me to get that entry, so it'll get a bit boring for most viewers. So that's why Deal does the live stream.
Yeah.
But in terms of my trades, I'm on Discord. Yeah, keep commission costs in there then.
That's what I'm doing. Yeah, that's why I'm putting it at 6.
I guess it's what you get at the end of it, right? 6%. Sorry.
Yeah.
Yeah, Discord is the way to go.
Even now for this month, Mark's been smashing it. Pretty sure.
Yeah, this month technically I'm already up 9. But because of that gold trade, I've made 10% on that gold trade, but I lost 1% for the very start of October, which sucked. Are you at uni? No. I'm full-time trader.
Mark's full time, man.
Yeah, I hate to say that, but for you, new, I'm okay saying it because you won't judge me. You won't judge me if I say I'm a full-time trader. 10% can be made in one day. It wasn't a one day. Yeah, it wasn't one day for me because it was a 2-day trade, but it was when CPI came out. Yeah, full-time trader as well. You know the vibe. Yeah, I'm always on my computer. Always on my computer. There's not a day. That's why electricity bill is so high right now.
In times like this.
Yeah. Yeah, 10% was made because I had a trade on, which I called on stream, and I also had a Discord scaling due to CPI. So I made 10%. But bear in mind also, I am a long-term trader. So my trades don't really like. Well, they don't come along often, nor do they, they're not quick like that as well. 10% can be made in one day. Oh yeah, I believe it. I've seen traders do it. It's yeah. Even Michael Bamba's making 16% a day, man. What's going on with this? Man used to make like
really?
3%. Yeah.
When did that happen?
He went to I don't know. He just started trading smart money, isn't it? So he's making 16% trades. Obviously, he takes like partials, so it's not overall 16% that he made take home, but he made 16% in terms of one trade. If you know what I mean. The risk to reward was 16%.
Yeah.
There you go. Yeah, no, 10% is 100% doable, but I try not to integrate time into it. So as in like have a set time I look at trades. I was looking into it, to be honest, because I saw your strategy and it could be interesting to add on something. Especially, I'm trying to do a scaling strategy as well, so potentially I can stream New York session. So I'll be looking mostly at primarily New York session when I'm thinking. Yeah, I saw what you mentioned. It was a very interesting idea. That's why I was trying to look into it. I couldn't find any sources on it though. You need to teach me yourself, I think. Like if the day's gonna be bullish. I mean that's sort of what I do, but in a higher spectrum, higher time frame. So obviously I look at the weekly. If the weekly's looking bearish, I'm only looking at sells. It's all your stuff. Oh, this is what I need. New content. This is what I need, man.
Where's your Discord group, new?
They can see that I've been trying.
To hear this.
I'm trying to learn ICT, and this is all I got from ICT. I don't know if you guys can see it, but that's all I got from ICT. Watching his 3-episode video.
What is it? Wait for the grab.
Yeah, so basically, internal range liquidity. So as soon as price taps into sell side liquidity, it's going to start tapping like short term highs to get that buy side liquidity, and the opposite for sell side liquidity. For so on and so forth. Bro, he's so boring, man. He's so boring. I can't watch him. Jesus, I was falling asleep while like looking at my trades. I was like,
is this on the new ones?
Yeah, the 2022 one, man.
It's not that boring, bro.
He rambles on so much, man. It's not a live stream. Get on with the video.
I wouldn't say boring, but I would say he does sometimes repeat the same stuff like 100 times.
Yeah.
That isn't relevant. Like fair enough, normal stuff, but sometimes he'll randomly start talking about, these guys that copy my courses. Like he always talks about it. I'm like, bro, we get the point. You get it.
You know what? I can't complain. It's free content for everyone out there. For like I think he's had 300,000 subscribers now, which is fair enough. Like he's got 300,000 people subscribing to his ideas. It's great. Okay, he's doing really good jobs. But come on, man. You know what I mean? Yeah, bro. He always goes at other people, man. He always has to fight someone. Started fighting like Sam KB Trading as well. Man's just like trying to work on his like prop firm, man. He's got like
He needs to get rid of this trauma he's got, man.
he's 50 years old, I think. He's like retired and he needs like something to do.
No, but that's the thing. 'Cause when I imagine him as this guy, as inner circle trader, feel like I imagine a composed, calm guy. But then you hear him on the videos, and it's like, oh, okay.
He is calm most of the time, though. He is calm most of the time, I would say.
I don't know.
But like, yeah, I don't know. I can't watch him for like 2 hours straight. I need one episode a day is all I can do. Since it's like 30 episodes, it'll take me a whole month to get through it, just for one time, viewing. Bro, I don't know how you guys watch.
I feel like I would be more motivated to watch him if I knew nothing about smart money. If I had never learned it before, then I would be watching it like, what the hell? This is a gold mine.
True.
You know
if I didn't have a profitable strategy, I think I'd be more inclined to watch it.
I feel like then you'll literally watch it.
But I still have an incentive to watch him though, because imagine my 1 to 10 trades will come 1 to 100 basically. If I show it.
That's it. That's the incentive.
Obviously, I'm not gonna hold 1 to 100. That'd be silly. Double FDMO. What do they take me for? A cash machine, ATM machine? Hell no. I wouldn't let FDMO get that much percentage. As soon as I'm making those R's, I'll transfer onto my own capital.
Yeah.
I don't mind sharing, but the 100%.
You still got forex funds to take off too, don't you?
Yeah. I still need to take. I need to bankrupt Raja Banks, basically.
Yeah.
I need to bankrupt him. You can hold 1 to 100, but only the runners. Yeah, I'm probably going to close partials at 1 to 50. 20 pips. No, 50 pips. Nah, I feel like 1 to 100s are practically impossible unless you get lucky. I don't know.
Smart money, man.
Peak Ad Runner is still going. No way, man. Bro. From like all the way back when. When you started like.
Yeah, I swear you mentioned that when you first joined the stream.
I was on the stream, man. 0.02 lot. Oh.
There you go. There's your 1 to 100s, man.
But you know what? 0.02 lots, they make a difference, because when I was trading like, £500 capital, I was on 0.02 lots and they were doing bits, Never doubt the 0.02 lots. Yeah, that's a runner. I'm gonna imagine. What lot size do you use normally, or is it like dynamic? Do you change it with your stop loss, or you just go fixed? Because it is funny when people like flex on TradingView. I'm a 1 lot trader, boys.
Do people say that?
Yeah. I was like, okay, buddy. Yeah. I took most of the trade off. Just got 0.02 running. Don't see the lots. Okay, 0.5 to 1%. What do you normally do? So if you're going against trend, or when you feel less confident, half a risk, or what do you know? How does that work?
Now you're thinking about it. Oh man, I'm just a genius.
Intuition, there it is. Hey, intuition for sure. Intuition's the way to go, man. Everyone like doubts intuition and the human touch, but guys, this is we should change our name. Instead of Enigma Trading, it would be like Intuition Gambling Trading.
Okay, let's take out the gambling, then I agree. Intuition.
I prefer 0.5 because I know I can catch. Yeah. I do that as well. I do that. I mean, it's not fully intuition, right? But there's a reason behind every decision. But it's not something you can just set into a certain category.
Buck the trend.
For GBPAUD at 0.9% Almost 1-to-1, moving to break even very, very soon. This is a 1-to-5 trade as well. Nice.
Do you know,
Oil screwed me over, by the way. It would have tapped me out
Goodbye.
for a loss if it didn't. If I didn't move to break even. What do you do after a loss? No, if you ever lose, I'm not sure if you lose, obviously, but if you ever lose, what do you do after it? Do you just move on, go to the next one, or do you like review
Alright.
it and go like, what happened?
Yeah, this one's decent.
Nah. You don't lose, bro. Don't worry about it.
He's
I
capping.
review it.
Capping.
Are there when you review it, do you find ways to like avoid the loss? Because for me, even if I review, I'm like, I just don't know why I lost. I always just say market like thing, like if the buyers and sells were still valid, right? Okay, right, got you. After the entry, something went against you. Maybe you check if it was still valid at the time or not. Basically, you're not looking to completely negate the loss. You're just looking to reduce the risk at that time. Or is that what you do? Or and re-enter if need be caught. Okay, fair enough. Second chance always the way, man. Adil always says it. Adil's a big spokesperson for second chances. He always goes like, always give your trade a second chance.
I'll say Wigston liars, not me.
Yeah, but you subscribe to the idea.
I subscribe to the idea.
Yeah, but if I 2 to 3 losses in a day, I step back. Yeah. For me, 3 losses in a row is really when I start to lose a little bit of my composure. I know I shouldn't, especially in a full-time trading like sphere. I don't know. As a career, I really shouldn't let 3 trades in a row lose my composure, but it really does. I don't want to sound cocky, but it rarely happens when I lose 3 times in a row. That's why I'm like, it's a little bit scary. I'm like, what the heck has happened? Is a market like, market shift or something? What's going on? Eventually, I'll get back over. Yeah, I just take a step back. Maybe drink water. We don't drink alcohol.
Shot of whiskey. That
Shot of whiskey just to forget the day. I never had a bad trading day because I forget. Every time I have a bad trading day, I just forget to drink whiskey, man.
Bad trading day? What you mean?
What's that?
When's the last time that happened?
100% win rate because every time I lose, I just drink whiskey and forget. That's our motto now. Yeah, if like thinking long on Jane, it wasn't playing full. Just leave it. Yeah, look at other pairs. Yeah. So what do you normally trade? Because I see you trade loads of different pairs. Like, what's your main one? Like main 5, you would say? Because you see ours, we always trade the same thing. Sometimes I trade oil, but quite rarely because it's struggle. It's struggle. Like oil is a struggle to trade. I can't lie. I had a good run with it, and then like, oh, bro, I struggled with it after. I tried confluences right. Same strategy for any like asset, pair, whatever, commodity, metal. And you just execute. Got you. To be fair, I feel like I'm gonna start doing that at some point. I'm gonna see how it like changes my my accuracy. Because I can't lie, I don't treat GBPAUD and gold well, I do, and GBPAUD and oil the same. I don't trade like crypto the same, but like the basic commodities, currency, safe havens. Oh, yeah. USDJPY. What do you do with that one? It just stays the same, right? They're both safe havens. Just vertical line, not vertical, horizontal line. Yeah, horizontal line. What is actually happening with USDJPY? I'm actually curious. Hey yo, GBPAUD, stop retracing, man. Just drop. Look, it's free traffic. Look at that. It's free traffic to the left, as a Stone Line would say. Actually, I'm moving it to break even and stop the level, as I said earlier. Yeah. Let's see. I'm moving it to stop loss at 1.80751, which is below entry. so I get to take home £2, $2. Safe havens, lol. UJ, let's not go there. It's just going up and really against the yen. Oh wow. Okay, let's see this. Let's just buy it up. It seems like we know who the. Oh wow, it actually does. We know who's the better safe haven, right? Yeah, but it has consolidated for quite some time here. Wow, 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 wow.
Damn, UJ is very similar to GJ, isn't it?
A little bit, yeah. I
In
think
terms of
yen's just
the
been,
value. That's
yeah, yen's just been absolutely destroyed for some reason.
What's the yen index? Let's see.
Japan has just opened up as well. I would think like they're starting to recover, you know.
Yeah, look at the JPY basket. That's crazy.
Although they are like a net exporter, aren't they? So a lower currency does help them with their endeavors. So I guess maybe they're trying to do it on purpose. I'm not too sure.
Why is there a dinosaur?
Once yen CB, what's CB is diverging from
Yeah, bro, go on the JPY basket. It's mad.
JPI basket.
It's literally been non-stop down since April 2020.
Yeah, BY.
Coronavirus.
Oh, the overall lows. Major support. Major support. We're gonna bounce back. Major support
It took the
incoming.
lows and then now it's starting to come back up. It should revert back. Century.
Here we go. Pound yen. Let's crash. Yes, please. We're waiting for it. Oh, central back. Oh, it's diverging from the norm. So, theory, they should revert back. Ah, it lines up with technicals too. Thank you for that, bro. Having new on chat is the most helpful thing, bro. Like, I can't lie. You know, so many things. I'm like, instead of us streaming, you should be the one streaming, man. Like, we learn more from you than you from us. This is.
You need to be the third guy on here.
We do. Because we can't make a decision if there's two of us, right? But if there's three, majority wins.
I've been doing this for a living to feed my family. I guess that's where these secret gems come in. Then.
Yeah,
That's
true. That is true though. When you have to do it as a job, it's completely different, right? You really go in deep, and like, I never really was into forex education because in my head I was like, well, I'm already profitable. I don't really need more education.
Yeah.
But yeah, as soon as I did it full time, like, first of all, I have so much free time. Second of all, I mean, it's unlimited profit potential or income potential. So in order to increase my potential, I would just have to learn more, and then ta-da! I already have the capital, so like all I have to do now is the skill set and keep improving the skill set, and you know, and then increase capital as well, which I'm doing this November. So yeah, I'm gonna just finish FTMO and then go on to Raja Banks.
Oh, you're actually gonna do Rogers first?
No, I'm gonna finish FTMO first.
Right. No, I mean like instead of my forex funds, you're gonna do his?
I'm doing Raja Banks, bro. Like,
Really?
I'm gonna make it bankrupt, man.
Mad.
If he doesn't copy my trades and not pay me what I earn, then I'm like, yep, Raja,
Fuck's
pay
sake.
up, mate. Off your personal account. Yeah, so I used to be earning when I was working around 3 to 5k a month.
Oh, that's pretty good, you know.
That's really good.
Did that help you when it came to trading? Because
You didn't have
like
to worry
when
about
you started making 3-4k from trading, it didn't phase you too much because you'd already made that much from the job. That must have helped you, right?
Dude, you a baller, man.
Especially UK. It was harder. But harder because you felt like you had to make that much to feel normal.
Yeah, because you're chasing the same amount. To go full time, you have to go at least the same amount, right? Yeah.
I'm a proper English teacher, you know. Someone could say the most non-related thing and I just analyze it. Like,
Yeah, what's going through your head when you hear that? It was like that.
I mean, he said, nah, it was harder, so I was like, oh, okay.
God, I get near that. I'll be honest. Well, I'm sure you're absolutely smashing that. What was that, like 3k, like, and then 2k in commission, or like, there's no base salary? What's going on with that?
I guess that's interesting, to be fair.
The thing is, right, there's so many ways to make money, and why do people choose Forex, man? It's one of the hardest, honestly. I honestly feel like it's one of the hardest ways to make money like online. Selling a
Yeah.
product, I feel like it's easier, you know.
I think you don't really know that when you first start.
Yeah,
I
this
think
is
when
why I
I
don't want.
first started, I'm trying to think. It wasn't. I don't think it was money really.
Mm,
I guess it was sort of money. Like my cousin told me about it. That's
yeah,
what got me to start researching it. But then I
uh,
actually was really interested in the charts and backtesting and all that.
waking up traveling. Yeah, I bet it was far though. I don't know how far you had to travel, but I can imagine it's quite far. You live in London, so I'm guessing your job's in central London. For that kind of pay,
Were you from London or just outside of London?
just outside London. You said he's just outside.
Actually, if it was 3 to 5K a month, my bet is you were going inside London. Yeah,
Central.
central London. Gee, bro, central London. London is crazy for traveling, man. I remember one time I had to go from my uncle's in East London to my cousin's in South London, and it literally took 2 hours. It wasn't even fully driving. We caught a train, we drove a bit, 2 3 hours from one side to the other. It's crazy.
I mean the underground's pretty good. I can't lie. I like the underground. It's a fun little tube system. I got lost in it actually when I was like I think what is it 13, 14?
Really? Nah.
I
How
was
did?
gonna I was gonna go up to I was going up to London to meet up with family friends. And I had to take the train there at the age of 13, 14, and I got lost.
By yourself?
Yeah.
Crazy. What did you do?
I found my way. I found out how to like use the underground eventually. So I found, but I
Okay.
spent a lot of money on the underground because I got lost. Not a lot, but
Yeah.
you know, it was a lot for me at the time.
Did you not go to one of like the wardens and be like, yo?
No, man, I have too much. I'm joking. I don't. I would. I
Not,
would
not at 13, bro. Be like, bro, help me out.
Nah, like I don't know. I don't know why it didn't. Never crossed my mind. But yeah, I just went around getting lost.
Have we got the clearest manipulation here on GJ?
Yes, we do. Why are we
Are
pushing
we
back down?
actually about to get a trade on stream? Oh my god.
No, this is not happening.
Is a live streamer actually about to get a trade?
Get the office meme. It's happening. It's happening.
Bro, what the hell? Oh my god. Yeah, they both did
Don't
the same
panic.
thing. They
Don't panic. It's happening.
are we lagging? We're not lagging. I don't think we're lagging. Let me make sure I'm not lagging. Yeah, so GJ and GU, they're both done the same thing. They push down slowly into the buy area. Of course, grab liquidity along the way. And just before tapping into this order block right at the bottom, look what it did. Did the same thing again. Generated liquidity, pushed down, and now it's pushed upwards, leaving behind a point of interest to trade from here. So, once price retraces into this zone, I'll be looking to enter. Should be good. Calm down.
Every time we get a stream, every time we get one trade in a month, everyone stay
Moo,
calm.
is the stream lagging right now? Can you let
I
me
need
know?
to get a soundboard. I need to get a soundboard, man.
Was it lagging when I started explaining?
I'll let you know.
Not that I can see.
It's fine for me. Yeah.
That's fine. You
Everyone
just
stay
making sure.
calm. Stay calm, bro. We got this. This is a W.
I just wanted
This
to
is
make sure it wasn't lagging.
This is the easiest 2% you guys will ever make ever. So much pressure on you now, because you have to put that onto the reels.
That's why I was recording when I did that.
Yeah, easier. Honestly, you don't. It's so much easier when we record stuff like instead of trying to get it from the video,
Yeah.
and it's better quality as well.
No, I'm waiting, Rio. I'm waiting.
Nah, still waiting.
I would have told you if I got in, man. Come on.
I don't know how is your low. I think it's low latency. Yeah, it is low latency. It's like a 0.1
Yeah, it should be low.
Alright, GA as well, we have just broken major support and major area over here, so we could potentially be continuing to go down. Well, either way, I'm already at break even, but pretty good. Let's look at Bitcoin. I'm looking at trading
Have
Bitcoin
I lost the plot?
soon. Oh, here it is. Oh, good. This is good. This is good.
Still half asleep.
Still have a sleep launch for us.
Are you a tea drinker or a coffee drinker now? Which one? What's the one? If any.
Bro, he's on that monster every morning. What are you talking about, man?
Don't
He's
tell
got
me that.
kids.
I don't think he's a monster kind of
He's
guy.
on monster, bro. He's got kids.
Nah, surely not. Tea
would
doesn't actually give you that much energy, you know.
Tea. He's a tea drinker.
I'm a tea drinker too. It doesn't actually give you energy.
Yeah, in normal times they would be inverse. Yeah, but right now they work quite well right now. Are you buying or selling?
Bro, I don't know if you've seen GUGJ for the last month or two. They've been the same, bro.
No,
More than month or two. Literally, I swear we were doing it the other day. We were going back. If you click this plus button in the top left, you can add on. I'll do it now. You can add on the other pair.
I'll not do it.
Look, check this out. Obviously, this is 2 minute time frame. But can you see that orange? If I go on the 15 minute, just look at this, man.
That's how I used to find trades, by the way, to look for correlation. Dark times. Correlation is a lot harder to trade than people think. I think people just seem to think like, you know.
Yeah,
if one's
that's
moving.
it. Maybe the news effect in the pound is so strong. It's just like, it just has to.
Oh,
go.
it's probably because Liz Truss dipped. She ran away from questions, I think. Well, hid. Liz Truss hides from Keir Starmer during urgent questions. Maybe everyone's seeing that.
As that thing you've
I
heard
think
standing behind the door.
everyone's losing faith in the pound. I feel like, and you know what? I'm all for it. I'm on US. I'm joking. I pray for the pound to continue to. I pray for its recovery, speedy recovery, man. I really do. It's gonna be. I mean, the pound could turn it around and export the oil. They frack. Potentially, that could give them a boost of income, but especially at like a dearer pound as well. Everyone will go for pound oil rather than thing. But I don't think they would bring enough oil anyways. Imagine they do this fracking thing and they actually don't find any oil. Oh, imagine the scenes. That's it. Turmoil. Done. Have they U-turned from the fracking thing? Anyone know? Are they still doing it? Is Liz Truss still ready to frack? Yeah, she's lift fracking. She hasn't U-turned on that. What is?
Why don't you pray for me?
I think the government needs a GoFundMe. You know.
Have you heard about my friend taxes?
Actually. Yeah, your friend, because you get your loan from the taxes. Absolute solid friend there.
That's why it's my friend.
And then you should like just move countries after you finish, so you don't have to pay it
the
back.
banner. You do need to change
And
the
then
banner
you should
on
like just move. Bali is a good place. By the way, I know it's a bit random, but you know when we're talking about moving to a different country, like New wants to do, good place. By the way, I know Bali is a good place, random, but you know I think they're offering a 6-month when we're talking about moving so where you don't have to pay taxes, income tax, anyways, for 6 months if you come from a different country. I mean, I know it's not Asia, but Italy's doing the same thing where if you're earning more than if you earn more than a certain amount, you only have to pay $100,000 in tax as a set amount. That's it. Everything else is tax free. So Italy's quickly becoming a tax haven for most people. You'll see Italy's economy boom soon. Therefore, Euro potentially. So. Malaysia is a very good country. So I've heard. I've never been, but that is a very good country. Bali's got like nice like villas and stuff though. I was looking at villas in Thailand because I plan to move to not to move there, but to live there for a month or two. While again, like just look at it in my perspective, right? So I don't actually have to stay anywhere to to work. So why would I stay in a cold country or you know? Besides family, of course. Family's the only reason why I would be staying in the UK. But Thailand villas, man, they're unbeatable. Hold on, they are so nice. Would you ever move to Dubai? I think you already said that. Are you moving to Dubai? Or you would want to? Dubai is also good. Also becoming a safe tax haven. Villas in Phuket. Here we go. Just search. Let's just search. There we go. Quick villa review. Are you getting the trade or is it playing around?
Nice coming back in.
I see. There you go. Look at that. Look at the place you'd be staying at if you go to Thailand.
Oh, bro, that was a bad time to do that.
Oh, stop! Don't worry. You can just leave it.
That's
Is it lagging? There you
No,
go.
I just messed up the camera thing.
Oh, did it? There you go. It's back. It should be back to normal.
As soon as I plugged it in Trading View. Damn.
Plugged it. Oh, did you? Oh, I didn't know.
That's what I said, that it just messes up the stream.
I didn't know you plugged it, man. Whoops.
Sorry, it wasn't
They can look at the villa I want to go to in Thailand.
No, they didn't even see it. They just saw like some tiny. I don't even know what they saw.
Hey. If you guys stay, you can come visit me in the villa. Just bribe the people.
If you subscribe.
Yeah. Oh, look at that! The like button is free. Crazy. That's September, right? September gains. Yeah, it is September gains. GA is retracing a little bit against me here, but it's fine. Again, break even. At this point, it's like below the VWAP now, so if it passes the VWAP, it'll already be out the trade anyway. So there's no point. The next trade I'm really looking at is Bitcoin. Bitcoin.
Alright, we're in the 50% region now. GU and GJ. Well, GJ is about to do the same. There we go. G and GJ. So.
Thanks, New. Thanks for the like, New. Don't worry, we got a trade. Because you knew we were gonna win anyways. That's why you gave us a quick like.
Of course.
That's what it is. I think we should say something controversial every time we start the stream. Clickbait. COD is better than Fortnite. Controversial.
Nah, that's a popular opinion.
Nah, I like that.
Alright, if GJ breaks this. If GJ begins to break above the high that is created here, see this one I'm highlighting here, I will buy with a stop loss above this 5-minute candle low. Okay, I can get rid of this now. Alright. Once GJ breaks this high, I'll buy with the stop loss below here. I believe that is very clear. Very obvious what I'm doing.
You have to go at 8
I'm
again.
doing the same on GU and GJ, by the way.
Oh, are you? 2 trades in one day.
Yes, yes.
You know what I gotta put on, bro? It's happening. It's happening.
Oh my god! Okay, it's happening! Everybody stay calm! What's the procedure, everyone? What's the procedure? Calm! Wait.
Fuck's sake.
I had to do it, bro. It's happening. Everyone stay fucking calm. Oh.
Will GU do it first or GJ?
What risk? There's no risk here. It's 100% win rate. What are you talking about?
Alright,
no risk here, dude.
GJ bought, GU bought 2. Just trying to drag my stop loss. Well, what did he ask?
What? He said double the risk.
Double the... Yeah, but when you get one trade every 2 weeks, I don't mind. Do you think I can? I mean, logically as well, like, if you think about it, I'm actually risking less than 1 trade a day.
Yeah. That's how I see. That's how I see my strategy. I risk less than 1 trade a day because I get 1 a month.
Yeah. Alright, so here's the trade on GU. 11.3 pip stop loss. TP Eels lining up nicely with this order block to the left. So 1.13808. 1.13808. There we go. GJ. If I'm on the right one. 14.4 pip stop loss.
8.8.
TP is 169,420. What a number! How is
Yo,
that?
that
How
GJ
is
does
that the
1 to 1,
TP?
man.
That's pretty funny.
It's 1 to 1.
Is it? I don't.
So good. Oh, I thought it reached it. I'm using I. I'm using just I.
Yeah. No, I try and do that too, but I don't think it's reached it.
Actually not. I can't believe my trading partner's trading against me. You know,
To be fair.
buying GA and selling GA, and he's buying GJ and GU.
Oh no! How could
You know
I do
what?
such a thing?
That's it. Full leverage sell, taking you out.
1 to
100
1.
lots. Move the price down.
Yeah, Mark was actually being serious there. He's actually just put 100 lots in. That's why it pushed down. But yeah, 1 to 1 is just above this line here.
I'll get the Discord gang on you, bro. So, what's Bitcoin doing then?
Did you say the Discord gang?
Yeah, I got the Discord gang on you, bro.
The ones who don't speak.
Yeah.
The absent Discord gang, bro.
Yes. I try to make it interactive, man. I really do. I try.
So,
I try to put questions in there they don't want to answer. I don't think they know anything about trading at this point. But it's fine.
is GJ an instant stop out?
Oh, is
Yeah.
it?
GJ instant stop out on there. Atrocious.
Oh. How many people got on Discord? Oh, almost 20. 19.
That's gotta hurt. The question is now, will GU do the same thing? It usually does. So.
I can't lie. GA just dropped as well from a cliff. So, well, no, a time frame anyway. It's dropped from a cliff. I feel like London Open is just validated what Liz Truss has done, or well, they punished what Liz Truss has done.
Alright. So, we just took 2 losses on stream. I took 2 losses on stream.
You took loss. Yeah, yeah.
Yeah, I don't want to lunge Mark in there too.
I was like, I was selling, mate.
Yeah.
It is what it is, man.
And
You only
yeah, it
get
is
one.
what it is. Literally, first trade in 2 weeks. First two
Yeah.
trades.
If that's your first look at us, it is what it is.
Yeah,
You win some, you lose some,
that's
right?
very tricky. I'm still getting used to that, taking losses on stream.
So I put it on Snapchat back before, so I'm kind of used to people seeing me that I lose.
Mm.
And bear in mind, it's people that I know as well, so it's even worse as well because they would judge me. Like, knew this guy was a failure. That's what they would probably be thinking.
Yeah,
every
yours
time.
worse because they're all your friends, innit? So it's like,
Yeah, I knew this guy wasn't gonna be much. Jeez. Nah, it is what it is.
Oh wait, so you actually posted your losses on there, like
Yeah.
you put the
yeah.
signal up and then you took the loss.
I would put the amount of money I lost, but I never put the amount of money I won. So everyone thinks
Okay.
everyone thinks I'm a losing trader. I think I don't know what their point of view of me is, but yeah. I would only post losses amount, but I would post winning trades.
Okay. And on that bombshell, I have to go. That is annoying. Obviously, would have preferred a win.
Mm. That sounds shady now that I said that. It's because I don't like to know how much money I make. So that's why. Because these people I know, so they can easily contact me. So I'd rather not know. I'd rather not them know.
Yeah.
But yeah, that's it. Yeah, on that W of a stream, W stream.
On that W of a stream, W in the chat.
W's in the stream. Hold on, I have to do it to you, bro.
Wait, what did you say?
I have to do it to you, bro.
W's for the stream, guys.
Bro,
Yeah.
is it out? Oh god. But yeah, thank you, New. Thank you for whoever else is watching. It might be me, it might not be. I'm not too sure. But yeah, thank you everyone for watching, man. Have a great week. That sounds